The Peak Bloom's Fountain of Youth Beauty Bundle is a package of 4 products designed to help combat the signs of aging. The bundle contains 3 anti-aging creams and a collagen supplement, all of which are designed to help users look younger and more youthful. One of the key benefits of this bundle is that it includes a range of products, each of which is designed to target a specific aspect of aging. The Fountain of Youth Anti-Aging Cream is designed to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, while the Multi-Collagen Beauty Complex is designed to support skin elasticity and firmness. The Hyaluronic Super C Serum is designed to brighten and even out skin tone, while the Revitalizing Eye Wrinkle Cream is designed to reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. Another benefit of this bundle is that all of the products are made with high-quality natural ingredients. The Fountain of Youth Anti-Aging Cream, for example, contains a blend of antioxidants, peptides, and plant extracts that work together to hydrate and plump the skin. The Multi-Collagen Beauty Complex contains a blend of 5 different types of collagen, which work together to support skin elasticity and firmness. The Hyaluronic Super C Serum contains a blend of hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and plant extracts, which work together to brighten and even out skin tone. Overall, the Peak Bloom's Fountain of Youth Beauty Bundle is an excellent choice for anyone who is looking for a comprehensive, all-in-one solution for anti-aging. The bundle contains a range of high-quality products that are designed to work together to help users achieve a more youthful, radiant complexion. With regular use, users can expect to see a reduction in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, as well as firmer, smoother, and more hydrated skin.